pressure washing this thing in stages, trying to get it clean as I can. Step one, I just went ahead and washed out everything in the back. Actually did pretty well. Sometimes you can't get the pressure washer in everywhere if it's bolted to an engine stand. So now that it's on the stand, I'll pull the manifolds, pull the accessories, which is mostly just an alternator, fan in the way. Pull the engine chain, don't need it anymore, and just go from there, I guess. Notice these heads don't have the smog ports, so I'm interested to see what year model there are. There's that stud broken off. Alright, went ahead, took off the harmonic balancer pulley. You can see that balancer's really ugly. That is definitely externally balanced. And we know anyway it's a 360, but here's an example of internally balanced 318. It's got the nice small pulley here. Look all the way around. There's no big weights hanging off or anything like that, so something to keep an eye out for. Over here I also took that hose off, got it out of the way. Motor mounts off. I think we're ready to bring her out and cleaned up. It's clean with lean right now. Sideways, I wanted to show you this number, casting number. 4006830-360 looks like a 9. There's a big 6. Go around this side. Tilt it. Let's see. That looks like a 9.4 of 75. Woo! Nice. Look at that shit. Ooh. How about that? Extra crispy. Man. I thought she turned over a little easy with the plugs in it. Go right. Same thing. Where's the rocker rods at? Man. Lift off. All right. Intake is off. Look at that nasty. There's lots of rust in the motor. Here's the number on his head, 376 9974. Try to get that decoded. That one says 2475 and 360. Other side the same. It's not even worth looking at. They're going to have to come off and get cleaned up too, so just part of the process. See if we can't get ahead in life here. Factory pistons, obviously. Right there looks like top dead center. And they're way down in the hole. But I'm turning it over with one hand, so it's definitely not seized up. They all look about the same.